Have you read about something called search message by date on your WhatsApp phone? This is a new feature in WhatsApp which allow you to search a message, file, or an attachment within a particular conservation simple by date. And today I'll be showing you how to search a message or a file within a particular conservation using date on your Android phone. All you have to do from here is to select the date that you want. After selecting it, you click OK, and then the search will be begun, and you will find the message which you want. As you see here, you select another date, another month, and select here OK. That's all you need to do. After that, you'll be done.